Hey guys, Javier Macias here. This week's Miracle Minute, I'm with special guest Paiman Kermani with Movement Mortgage. All right, so I get a lot of clients that want to see houses before they're actually pre-approved. Why is it important to get pre-approved before you actually look at houses?
Well, Javier, great question. It's really important for the client to get pre-approved prior to looking at that house so they know exactly when they walk in that house how much they can afford.
But I see a lot of letters that say pre-qualification from lenders. I see a lot of letters that say pre-approval from lenders. So what is the actual difference between the pre-approval and the pre-qualification?
There's a big difference. So just so you know, there's a huge difference between a pre-qual and a pre-approval. The pre-qual is usually a loan officer's best guess. So that loan officer looks at the documentation, is guessing on how much the client can afford and how much they're approved up to. What we like to do here at Movement is a pre-approval. So what we do is we take all that documentation, send it over to the underwriter and get it pre-approved. Our process is a lot different. We have the 671 process. So the 671 process is 6 hours to underwrite, 7 days to process, 1 day to fund. So once we get that documentation from the client, it goes over to the underwriter and the underwriter has 6 hours to give us an answer. So you're basically pre-approved prior to going out and looking at that house.
And so how much money does a buyer actually have to put as a down payment for a house?
Well, there's a big misconception out there with buyers. A lot of buyers out there think that there's only a 20% down program, and that's what they have to do. No, there's a lot of different programs out there. There's 100% financing, there's 3% down, 5% down, 10% down. A lot of different programs out there that will fit anybody's needs.
Awesome, thanks a lot, Paiman. I think that really clarifies the buying process and what order to really do it in, because I know a lot of buyers are doing this backwards. So that does it for this week's Miracle Minute. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next week.